think this is also a desperate move already of former President Rodrigo Duterte for him to extremely carry it? I mean, already tell the audience na patayin yung 15 nakaupo mga senador. Parang is it also parang undertone nito, desperado na siya kasi nga parang there's no way na makakapasok yung kanyang slate unless patayin itong 15.
Well, at the end of the day, it's what resonates to the masses and to the electorate. No? Yes, I agree with that. Medyo desperate move. Pero we also need to understand na with the current turnout of events, particularly with the impeachment and with the current sabihin na nating supporters that the Duterte family still possess. At nakita naman natin ito, I think siguro mababaw na pataya. Pero when you look at social media, for instance, may kita mo pa rin naman yung outpouring ng sentiment in favor of the Dutertes. And if they
malakas pa rin malakas pa rin yung suporta.
Malakas pa rin nandun pa rin Yes. To be honest, yung proclamation rallies nila in terms of viewership, mas marami yung viewership talaga.
Totoo ba yun? Totoo. Nakita ko yung post na yun May comparison kung ilan yung nanood dun sa Alyansa vis-a-vis yung nanood sa PDP Laban. Million yung sa PDP Laban
versus yung sa Alyansa.
Malayo, yung audience share.
Malayong disparity, and we also try to look at the reactions, although syempre hindi natin masasabi some of this may be troll farms, we don't know kung ilang dito yung talagang legit na engagements, pero yun nga, may kita rin pa rin natin yung sentiment at the very least, dito pa lang naman natin yung engage because we're just starting off in the campaign period. Pero yun nga, what I'm trying to say is that itong election na to, a testament to how the people are really supportive of the president. And it may also be a testament of how they are, the backlash against the current administration. And we will see this kung yung mga sinasabi ni BBM na may hina na kandidato ng PDP Laban mananalo, maliwanag na ang sentimiento ng taong bayan nandoon o pumapabor sa huwag ma-impeach si VP
but there's a way also pala din of kung pag maalam ka, there's a way of boosting daw.
Yeah, you can get boosters.
You can boost. Palalabasin mo na marami ka kaming, diba? Ang laki ng viewership mo. But there's a way of boosting that also.
I was going to ask you, Professor, the mere fact na hindi po makumpleto po ni PRRD yung slate niya, siyam lang sila. Does it also speak volumes of his current popularity? Is it diminishing? Kasi po hindi nila mabuo yung 12 siyam lang di ba? May nagpapakita ba yan rin ng kahinaan ng pagtatakbo? Kasi unlike nung dati, nung tumakbo po the likes of sina Bato de la Rosa, di ba? Si Francis Tolentino, sina Bongo, marami pong nakapasok doon sa mga administrasyon noon. Ngayon, yung siyam, hindi pa nila mabuo, tapos pinapapatay pa niya yung 15 nakaupo, kaya I'm saying it's a desperate move already. But what do you think about the 9 slates only na hindi nila makumpleto yung 12?
Yes, kasi the tendency for any would-be senatorial, especially in a midterm election, is to gravitate alongside or within the orbit of the coalition or the administration for that matter. So definitely, nasa kanilang pinarya, nasa kanilang resources, kasi nga ang kasalukuyang Pangulo ay nandoon din sa kanila. At ito nga yung nagtitimpan sa kanilang slate. As opposed to the PDP Laban, na masasabi natin, gravely decimated ang PDP Laban from a majority ruling party in 2016 to a minority party right now. Kasi nga ang dami nagtalo na, pupunta ng
so, political butterfly.
So, talagang given na yon. At siguro ang titignan na lang natin dito is kung paano talaga i-maneuver ni Pangulong Duterte. Because let's face it, his slate or the PDP Laban slate will always be reliant and dependent on Duterte. Many of these candidates actually do not have the necessary experience. Some of them haven't been in the national political scene, at the very least. Pero I think what they are banking on right now is still very much the popularity of President Duterte. And dito natin makikita kung kaya pa silang dalhin ng mensahe at saka ng imahe ng dating Pangulo.